Distance between 2 points. Good day everyone. Today I will discuss how to find the distance between 2 points. You can find or determine the distance between 2 points easily. If the 2 points form a horizontal line or a vertical line, then you can use any of the 2 methods that will be discussed. Here are the 2 methods for finding the distance between 2 points. Method number 1. Count the grid line covered by the line formed in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Method number 2. Subtract the x values or the y values of each 2 points. Without further ado, let us have an example. Example number 1. Find the distance between point A with an order pair of 2 and 3, and point B with an order pair of 7 and 3. Here is the location of the points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Let's apply the method number 1. Count the grid line covered by the line formed in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Let us count from point A to point B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 units from point A to point B. Therefore, the distance between points A to point B is 5 units. Let's try the method number 2. Subtract the x values or the y values of each 2 points. The example is form a horizontal line. Right. What if the graph is not available? Here is what you do. Look at the order pairs of the 2 points. If the values of x in each point are not similar or not the same numbers, and the values of y in each point are similar or the same numbers, then that is a horizontal line. So, we just only subtract the x values of each point. Solution. Line AB is equal to the absolute value point of point A minus point B. Let us substitute the value of x in each point. We have line AB is equal to the absolute value of the value of x in points A is 2, minus the value of x in point B is 7. Let us subtract. Line AB is equal to the absolute value of 2 minus 7 is equal to the absolute value of negative 5. Since we have an absolute value of negative 5, then turn the negative 5 into positive 5. That is the role of the absolute value, it turns the negative value into a positive value. Furthermore, there is no negative distance. Therefore, the distance between points A to point B is equal to positive 5 units. Example number 2. Determine the distance between point S with the order pair of 3 and 2, and point T with the order pair of 3 and negative 4. Here is the location of the points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. As you can see, the line that is formed between point S to point T is a vertical line. You can use any of the 2 methods that I have discussed earlier. However, for this example, I still use the 2 methods in finding the distance between 2 points. Let's apply method number 1. Count the grid cover by the line in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Let us count the grid line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 units from S to point T. Therefore, the distance between points S to point T is 6 units. Let's try method number 2. Subtract the x values or y values for each 2 points. If the graph is not available and the order pairs are only the given, look at the order pairs of the 2 points. If the values of x in each point are similar or the same numbers, and the values of y in each point are not similar or the same numbers, then the points is form a vertical line. Since it is a vertical line, we just only subtract the y values of each point to find the distance. Here is the solution. Line segment ST is equal to the absolute value of point S minus point T. Let us substitute the value of y in each point. We have line segment ST is equal to the absolute value of the value of y in point S is equal to 2, minus the value of y in point T is equal to negative 4. Let us subtract. Line segment ST is equal to the absolute value of 2 minus negative 4 will result to 2 plus 4. Because negative times negative is equal to positive, 2 plus 4 is equal to the absolute value of positive 6. Since we have an absolute value on positive 6, then still become positive 6. Therefore, the distance between points S to point T is 6 units. Determine the distance of the following points. Write your answer in the comment section.
For more videos on mathematics, please don't forget to subscribe.